The current teen account lets teens spend money with a debit card while parents monitor transactions and set spending limits inside the app. By the end, you'll know exactly how the current teen account works, what parents can actually control, and whether it makes sense compared to a standard teen debit card. Start with how the money actually works. The current teen account is not a credit card. It is a debit-style account, which means money can only be spent if it is already loaded into the account. That matters because there is no borrowing, no interest, and no debt risk tied to normal spending. Now look at what parents control. Parents can monitor transactions inside the app in real time. That means every purchase shows up immediately after it happens. Parents can also set spending limits, which restrict how much can be spent over a set period. This helps prevent overspending because transactions get blocked when limits are reached. Now look at the teen side. Teens get their own debit card linked to the account. They can use it for online purchases and in-store payments anywhere Visa debit cards are accepted. They can also track their own spending in the app, which helps them see where their money is going instead of guessing. Now explain how money gets into the account. Funds are usually added by a parent or guardian from a connected funding source. That means the teen does not directly control deposits unless the parent allows it. This structure is designed to keep control on the funding side while still giving spending independence. Now talk about who this is actually for. This setup works best for parents who want visibility without constantly asking where money went. It also works for teens who are learning basic budgeting and need limits instead of full freedom. It is not ideal if you want a fully independent banking experience with no oversight. Now give the trade-offs. The biggest advantage is control and visibility in real time. The downside is limited independence because parents still control funding and restrictions. Now summarize the key points. The current teen account is a debit-based system with no borrowing. Parents can monitor spending and set limits inside the app. It trades independence for control and safety. One practical next step. Before signing up, decide whether you want full teen independence or structured parental oversight, because this account is built for control first. Like and subscribe for clear breakdowns of banking apps without confusion or marketing noise.